So I need variables on one side, numbers on the other. It doesn't matter which side you put them on. I would always just put them on the left. If you're going to do that, we're going to subtract 12x from both sides. 2x minus 12x is negative 10x. I bring down the plus 6 is less than. We know 12x minus 12x is 0, so I'm going to write that in there for a second. Now, if variables on the left, numbers are going to be on the right. I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. We get negative 10x is less than negative 6. And then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 10. When I divide by a negative number, I have to flip my inequality symbol. So x is going to be greater. Negative divided by negative is positive, and 6/10 will simplify to 3/5. If I want to graph that, I can. There's a few different ways that you could go about graphing this. 3/5 are going to be in the middle. You can either go up by a fraction. So the fraction bigger would be 4/5. The fraction smaller would be 2/5. You could also just have put this as 0 and made this one 1, because we know 3/5 is between 0 and 1. So there's lots of ways you could do your number line. When my circle is going to be at 3/5, I'm not going to shade it in because x is just greater. Because x is greater, 4/5 is bigger or greater than 3/5. My arrow is going to go towards the right. For this inequality, I have 2/3 x plus 6 is greater than or equal to negative 1/3 x plus 2. See the fractions? They are coefficients of the x, so I'm not going to go multiply yet. I'm going to get the x's on one side, numbers on the other. So I like my x's to be on the left. I'm going to add 1/3 x. So 2/3 x plus 1/3 x gives me 3/3, which is just 1. So we're just going to get x plus 6 is greater than or equal to 2. And I'm like, phew, the fractions are gone. I want numbers on the right, so I'm going to subtract 6x. I'm going to get x is greater than or equal to negative 4. And then I can go ahead and graph. So remember, any number greater than, bigger, or equal to negative 4 would be part of my solution set. Negative 3 is bigger than negative 4. Negative 5 is smaller than negative 4. My circle is going to go at negative 4. I'm going to shade it in because I have the equal to. Because x is greater, I'm going to go to the right.